Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. I sure did miss you guys yesterday, but thanks for granting me some grace and let me spend a little bit of time with my family. This Vlogtober challenge, as much as I love it, does tend to take up a good chunk of my evening, so I just needed a chance to say hi to my family again. We are here for day 12 of our Vlogtober challenge. For those of you who are just jumping on board, a little bit about what I'm doing. I have teamed up with Suzy from Suzy's Health Journey, and for the entire month of October, we are doing a new challenge. The first week, we shared our favorite motivational or inspirational quotes, and this week, our challenge is to drink 64 ounces of water every day. I will link Suzy's Facebook page and her YouTube channel down below in the description. So if you're not a member of her YouTube family or her Facebook group, guys, please go over there and join. You will not be disappointed. You will find all kinds of wonderful, wonderful support from her. I guarantee it. Okay, so water challenge for me today. How did I do? I forgot my cup. I drank my 64 ounces of water. I sure did. I drank that big blue metal cup that I usually use. I had 3 of those, and then I had 1 lime sparkling water, and then I'm working on my lemon spindrift. So even if I take out the carbonated water, I still have my 64 ounces in. So I'm good with my water today. I am on track. I'm already done, but I'm going to continue to drink because I feel better when I do. And I'm so glad we had this challenge this week to remind me of that. So yeah, that being said, I'm going to put on my glasses and pull out my computer and find some fun I'm going to learn how to talk. I'm going to pull up my laptop here, and we're going to find some fun facts about water. And I thought today I would find a few fun facts about water in relation to our brain. I don't know why. That's just the organ that I picked. So, number 1, and I am on primowater.com. I will link that in the description for you. The first thing they say is water improves concentration. I don't know. I feel like I'm just as chaotic as I always am, but maybe if I drank enough every day, I would calm down. But I don't know that I want to calm down. I like chaos. All right, anyways, our brains are the first to feel the effects of dehydration, and it shows by a loss of concentration. Staying properly hydrated enables the brain to stay alert so we can keep our attention and focus. It makes sense. Number 2, balanced moods. Studies have identified a link between dehydration and mood disturbances. Drinking water increases the brain's temperature and gets rid of the toxins and dead cells. That's cool. It also keeps cells active and balances chemical processes in the brain, helping to regulate stress and anxiety. Oh my gosh, guys. I think I could do this water challenge for like a month straight just so I could share these facts with you. It's fascinating to me. And then I'm going to share 2 more because I see 2 more I want to share. Better sleep. It increases blood flow to the brain, which increases oxygenation and calms the brain, helping us to get a more restful night's sleep. Although I was just talking with one of my subscribers the other day about how we were doing with our water challenge and how we're getting up throughout the night to go to the bathroom a lot more often. So there is that, just in case Chaos Jen wants to challenge the water facts. And then the last one that I think looks really interesting is prevention and relief of headaches, which I've heard this before. Dehydration has been found to trigger headaches and migraines in some individuals. I didn't know about the migraine part. Several studies have been shown that drinking water can prevent or relieve certain types of headaches in those who are dehydrated. That's kind of interesting too. I get headaches all the darn time, and maybe it's because I wasn't drinking enough water. I don't know. I'll have to start paying attention to my water intake and my headaches, I guess. So, awesome. All right, guys, again, let me know how you're doing with the challenge down below in the comments. If you have any fun water facts that you would like to share, I would love to hear them. Real quick, before we sign out for the night, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote our videos, which in turn grows our YouTube family. And guys, I have my 800 subscriber giveaway going on, so please make sure you check it out. I will link it down in the description for you as well. I have a whole lot of links down there, don't I? Anyways, go check it out. I would love to be able to share that giveaway with you guys. And also, we have our 850 subscriber giveaway coming up very soon. We are only 6 people away from 850. So as soon as we get to 850 and we stay there for a few days, I will be doing a drawing for a $25 gift card. It'll be a Visa gift card, and that's going to be my giveaway for the 850 and the 950. And then I do the bigger ones for the 900, and then the 1,000 I think is going to be huge. I don't know. I don't know what huge looks like yet, but we'll see. But anyways, my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and we are getting really close, guys, really close. So thank you to all of you for your support. If you're not a member of my family, please, if you're not a member of my YouTube family, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. And until next time, guys, keep drinking your water and don't forget to smile. Bye.